Right. The continuation. I want to say is here 0, 1, 1, 0. So what I want to say is for the binary symmetric channels. Here I want to consider the probability of receiving the probability of receiving 0 when 1 was transmitted or when 0 was transmitted is P. For example, no need to take only P, that is your wish. Actually, you can take A, B, C, D, that is your wish. So listen carefully. This is the first element. First element nothing but P of y1 by x1. Probability of receiving y1 when x1 was transmitted. Suppose I want to go for P. What is the next one? Probability of getting y2 when x1 was transmitted. And total probability you have to get 1 now. Here P nothing but here you can write 1 minus P. Right? Or one dot is here, y only P here. Here I want to take 1 minus P. Okay, your wish, no problem. Suppose the probability of getting y1 when x1 was transmitted is 1 minus P. Whenever this is 1 minus P and this one is P. Is it okay? So same thing I showed here. Similarly, and the probability of getting y1 when x2 was transmitted is 1 by P. Again, P plus 1 minus P equal to P. And here what about P? Suppose here you can, if you want to do like this, and this is P, and this is 1 minus P. You can take this one or you can take this one. That is your wish. Your wish, no problem. Okay. Now I want to share the PPT. Now see the PPT. Now see. So 0 to 0, 1 minus P, 0 to 1 P, and 1 to 0 P, and 1 to 1 is 1 minus P. Suppose if you want to take here P, now this is 1 minus P, and this is 1 minus P, here P. That is your wish. Your wish. So finally, this is the channel diagram for the binary symmetric channel, and I want to assume that the probability of receiving 0, if 0 was sent is 1 minus P, receiving 0 if 1 was sent is P, and receiving 1 when 0 was sent is P, receiving 1 when 1 was sent is 1 minus P. So this is the binary channel, and why it is called as a symmetric channel, that is important. And one doubt is here, when you go for the remaining matrix, the column is total column is not equal to 1 actually. Here also total column not equal to 1, but coming to here, I told that P plus 1 minus P, and here also P plus 1 minus P. Column side, row side total is equal to 1 now. So that's why it is called as a symmetric channel. See why it is called as symmetric channel. The probability of receiving 1 when 0 was sent is equal to the probability of receiving 0 when 1 was sent. Once again I am repeating. Look at the statement also clearly here I mentioned. The probability of receiving 1 when 0 was sent, that means probability is P, is same as the probability of receiving 0 when 1 was sent, again P. Or you can say that the probability of receiving 0 when 0 was sent is same as the probability of receiving 1 when 1 was sent. But don't write like that. Yeah, the probability is same, but so why it is called the symmetric channel? That is once again finally I am repeating, the probability of receiving 1 when 0 was sent is same as the probability of receiving 0 when 1 was sent. P. That's why this channel is called binary symmetric channel. And if you want to write the channel matrix for this, so this is the channel matrix: 1 minus P, P, 1 minus P. So very important. You have to you must be able to draw the diagram, channel diagram from the given channel matrix, or channel matrix from the given channel diagram. That's what I showed in whiteboard. You have to draw the channel diagram from the given channel matrix, or you have to write the channel matrix from the given channel diagram. And from the given theory points also, you have to draw the diagram and you have to write the channel matrix. Are you able to draw the channel diagram and channel matrix? Or any doubts? Please respond. Is it clear? How to draw the channel diagram? How to write the channel matrix? Just you have to identify what is the input, what is the output. Output by input, probability of that output value by input value. That's it. Clear about this? Any doubts? And a binary communication channel. Next one is binary symmetric channel. That is the previous one. Now binary communication channel. So when you go for the binary symmetric channel, directly I mentioned that 0 and 1. But here I don't want to mention that 0 and 1. Any two inputs like x1 and x2. That is the difference. Remaining is same. Binary, but most of the names you can use only binary symmetric channel. Directly you can take 0 and 1, no problem. But sometimes if there is if anyone wants to ask the question like what is the meaning of binary communication and what is the meaning of binary symmetric, and then we can say that you can place directly 0 and 1 when you go for the binary symmetric, and coming to binary communication you can take 2, that is x1 equal to alpha and x2 equal to 1 minus alpha. P of x1 probability of x1, P of x2 probability of x2, alpha 1 minus alpha. That means x1, x2 2 inputs, y1, y2 2 outputs. In previous case directly I mentioned that 0 1 0 1, P 1 minus P, P 1 minus P, P 1 minus P. You also can take P Q P Q. Okay. Look at the channel. This is the channel matrix actually in matrix form. So please write matrix like this. So the matrix is like this. Okay. This is the matrix. Like this. P of y1 y2. This is 2 rows 1 column. 2 rows 1 column. P of y1 y2. And P of y1 equal, what is the equation actually? P of x1 into, or you can see this diagram also, y1. How can you get this probability of y1? The probability of y1 is nothing but P of, that is like this. P, what is P here? The probability of y1 when x1 was transmitted. That means we can write here P of y1 by x1 into P of x1. Look at the diagram, simple. So P of y, or look at this equation, P of y1 equal to P of y1 by x1 into P of x1. That is, this is the P of y1 by x1 into P of x1. Another possibility is also there, plus this is another way, another path. That is P of y1 by x2 into P of x2. Simple. Clearly I mentioned. Look at the equations. P of y1 equal to P of y1 by x1. Here P of y1 by x1 nothing but P. P of y1 by x1 into P of x1 plus P of y1 by x2 into P of x2. Similarly, P of y2 equal to P of y2 by x2. So y2 by x2 nothing but q. P of y2 by x2 into P of x2 plus P of y2 by x1 into P of x1. These are the equations. Suppose if you want to write in matrix form, so this is the matrix form. So write brackets here. Here separate brackets. Here separate brackets. In matrix form. So P of y1, y2 2 rows 1 column. P of x1 x2 1 row 2 columns. And P of y1 by x1, y2 by x1, y1 by x2, y2 by x2. This is 2 by 2 matrix. Or you can write directly PQ. Suppose P of x1 equal to alpha, right? Here P of y1 you can write like P of y1 equal to alpha into P. P of x1 nothing but alpha into P plus y1 by x2, that is Q into alpha. And similarly P of y2 equal to P of y2 by x2, that is P into 1 minus alpha plus y2 by x1 Q into alpha. So P of x2, in substitute P of x2 equal to 1 minus alpha, P of x1 equal to alpha, P of y1 by x1 equal to P, y1 by x2 equal to Q, y2 by x1 equal to Q, y2 by x2 equal to P. That is a binary communication channel. So with this, I want to conclude the. With this, I want to close the types of channel session. Types of channels. Clear about this? Any doubts? Channel, discrete memoryless channel, noiseless channel, lossless channel, deterministic channel, and the most important thing is binary communication channel and binary symmetric channel. And how to draw the channel diagrams, channel matrix, or some equations. Clear about all these things? Types of channels, right? Next, I want to move to types of errors. Types of errors, right? So here one point is, see here in this diagram, 0 was transmitted, 0 was received. The probability is, please respond. What is the probability for 0 when 0 was transmitted? Yes, please respond.
1.
Oh, 1.
1.
Look at the diagram. Look at the diagram. When 0 was transmitted, what is the probability for receiving 0?
1 minus p.
1 minus p. Right? 1 minus p. And here my point is, 0 was transmitted, 0 was received. What is the meaning of that? No error. Correct reception. Okay. Correct reception. 0 was transmitted, 0 was received. Probability of error, there is some error. Meaning of that is 0 transmitted, 1 received, or 0 is received, 1 transmitted. 0 transmitted, 0 received, no error. 1 transmitted, 1 received, again no error. 0 transmitted, 1 received, error. 1 transmitted, 0 received, error. Now look at this diagram. For correct reception, the probability is 1 minus p. And for the incorrect reception, the probability is p. That is my consideration. Suppose if you want to take p for correct reception, 1 minus p for incorrect reception, that is your wish. But according to this diagram, 1 minus p is the probability for correct reception, and p is the probability for incorrect reception. Even if you go for, if you want to transmit either 0 or 1. So p for incorrect reception, 1 minus p for correct reception. Now same thing I want to mention here. On memoryless channels, the noise affects each transmitted symbol independently. This is the important point actually. When you go for the memory channels, the noise does not affect independently. So on memoryless channel, the noise affects each transmitted symbol independently. So that's why, for example, here I want to consider a BSC, binary symmetric channel. Now only I show that transmitted bit has probability of p being received incorrectly, and the probability of 1 minus p received correctly. P being received incorrectly, and the probability of 1 minus p received incorrectly. So independently of other transmitted bits, whatever the remaining bits, we don't know about the remaining transmitted bits, but the probability for receiving 1 when 0 was transmitted is p, receiving 0 when 0 was transmitted is 1 minus p. That's why I mentioned that independently of other transmitted bits. Hence, the transmitted error occurs randomly in the received sequence. And because of this reason, the memoryless channels are also called the random channels. Memoryless channels are also called the random channels. Memory channels are also called the clusters. Cluster channels are burst channels. Okay, that is in the next slide. Hence, transmitted errors occurs randomly in the received sequence. These type of errors are known as the random errors, and these channels are known as the random channels. And the examples for these random channels are deep space channels and many satellite channels. Satellite channels and deep space channels are the examples for random channels. That means simply we can say that if the errors occurs randomly in the received sequence, those errors are known as the random errors. So random errors occurs on memoryless channels. So for that reason, the memoryless channels are called the random channels. And the examples for these random channels are deep space channels and many satellite channels. And when you go for the line of sight propagation or line of sight transmission, here LO is nothing but line of sight. And most of the line of sight propagations are affected by these random errors. Whenever the important question, the quiz question like line of sight propagation, when you go for the line of sight propagation, what are the types of errors? Means random errors. That's why I mentioned that most of the LOS transmission facilities are affected by primarily by random errors. Now, how can you correct these errors? In order to detect and correct these errors, you have to use some codes. Now here, you have to use random error correcting codes. So the codes are used for these correcting random errors are called the random error correcting codes, and the examples are linear black codes, cyclic codes, BCH codes, convolution codes, and etc. Here I didn't mention the BCH, and BCH is also example for random error correcting codes. When you observe the syllabus, you will find that linear black codes, convolution codes, cyclic codes, BCH codes, burst codes. So those burst codes are examples for memory channels and burst errors. Here the linear black codes, cyclic codes, convolution codes are examples for random error correcting codes. Clear about this? Here definition of random error. What is the meaning of random channel? What are the examples for random channels? Which transmission is primarily affected by the random errors? What is the meaning of random error correcting codes? What are the examples for random error correcting codes? Clear about this? Actually, two types of errors: random errors and burst errors. BURST. Burst errors. Here, random errors are completed. So they are the random errors, and this is the information about the random error. And next one is about the burst errors. I think already Raj sir sent a message. Please immediately. Okay. With this, I want to stop this. Clear about this up to now? Any doubts? Tomorrow I will complete the types of errors and error control strategies also. What are the strategies are available in order to control the errors? Simple. Within actually within 10 minutes it will complete. We're 9. Okay. Just I want to